You are now watching Doorbell News.
You didn't even know somebody was outside your door while you were sleeping last night, did you? Well, good thing these homeowners have Ring doorbells. They all know to lock their doors before they go to sleep, because the freaks come out at night.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hey, boy, it's King. It's King. We got an episode. Will put his hands on me. Dude stole me at the store. They don't want none. People listen, man.
There's no Chris that lives here, and I don't understand a word this guy just said. Vallejo, California. A woman goes outside to sit on her front porch at nighttime, and she almost gets hit with a stray bullet.
Something whizzed past my head, Brian. Yeah, it was a little bit over my head. I mean, I heard it. Yeah?
Cleveland, Ohio. A blonde-haired woman is seen leaving her neighbor's house, but he doesn't recognize her. She opens the door. She's seen wiggling the doorknob, but she can't gain entry. She appears to be smoking a cigarette. This is all happening at 5:38 in the morning. The woman decides to walk off. Bonita, California. A man is seen wiggling someone's doorknob trying to gain entry. The same man is later seen at another neighbor's house, standing outside, looking very suspicious. This guy is up to no good. Birmingham, Alabama. A woman is seen outside of a homeowner's house, and she appears to be tweaking. Chula Vista, California. A porch pirate is seen doing who knows what in somebody's yard until the homeowner gets on his Ring doorbell and puts the man in his place.
Hey, I just reading the letter, dog. Hey, I just using your light, brother.
My what?
I just using your light, brother.
You can't do that, man. It's
I'm sorry.
your property.
I'm just reading the letter, dog.
No, man.
I'm sorry.
Don't do that.
I'm
Next time you're gonna get fucking blasted.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry,
Don't
sir.
ever get near my house again like that.
I'm sorry, sir. I swear I was just using your light, though.
Don't do that. Never.
I'm sorry. Thank you. I apologize, man.
Next time you're gonna get fucking blasted.
I apologize, my man.
Well, so everybody else got my shit.
Hey, what are you doing over here?
Los Angeles, California. A swarm of thieves are going around looking for open car doors. They find a neighbor's car and ransack it, stealing everything inside. How despicable. Rochester, New York. This is a weird video. A man spends about 10 minutes trying different key codes at a door, but the homeowner says he's unwelcome and he doesn't belong there. The man then puts his ID in front of the camera. I don't know what to think of this. I don't know whether he's at the wrong Airbnb or what, but who checks into an Airbnb at 3:30 in the morning? There's just something fishy about this guy. Rochester, New York. Another fishy video. A man is seen ringing somebody's doorbell, but he has a big club in his hand. He appears to be hiding from someone. Something must have happened and he's trying to be safe. Maybe he rung the doorbell to get some help. We don't know. At the end of the video, the man is heard threatening somebody to call the police.
Police on their way. Two. Police on their way.
Miami, Florida. A female is seen lingering outside of a house and trying to gain entry through a gate. The homeowner says she doesn't belong there. I try to give people the benefit of the doubt. Maybe she's at the wrong house. Maybe she isn't. The homeowner gets on her Ring doorbell and says a few words to scare the lady off.
Hello?
Dallas, Texas. A man who appears to be intoxicated is seen lingering in someone's backyard and trying to gain entry through their back door. If this man walked into someone's home while he was inebriated and totally unaware of what he was doing, it could have turned fatal.
You gotta go. We're gonna call the police.
Yeah.
You gotta go. We're gonna call the police right now. Should I put the alarm? Should I put the alarm?
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Thanks for watching Doorbell News. Subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.